So I'm going to continue on into my next row doing some red beets. And beets are just so rewarding because they're not only packed with vitamins and minerals, but they also give you those deep earthy flavors that really shine in like some of your fall cooking. If you want to roast them, you want to boil them, or just slice them in raw and eat them in a salad. They're a crop that you'll be glad that you have in the ground right now in a few weeks, like a month or so down the road. So I'm gonna be doing my golden beets the same way. I'm gonna be making quite a few rows of those, and also in the same raised bed, I'm gonna be doing my carrots. Because the nice thing about all these cool nights coming ahead, all these will increase with sweetness because the roots of um these little root crops they store sugar the colder it gets. And carrots especially are worth extra sowing because they're easy to grow, they store really well, and they just fit in about any meal that you make. We just made some chicken noodle soup just recently, and oh my gosh, it just makes the soup so good. It's like a fresh carrot is so much better than a store-bought carrot. So, I just pulled all my summer harvest of all these items, and now I'm planting for the fall. So I can't wait to get this harvest going.